If you're over 40 using a CPAP machine or working from home, losing power isn't just annoying, it can be dangerous or expensive. In this video, I'm testing the EcoFlow RIVER 3 Max Plus as a backup for CPAP, how long it runs devices, and whether this is worth the money for a normal family. Let's start with what this is, and then I will show you what this device did in my real testing. If you're a CPAP user, work from home parent, or a sport family looking for a reliable backup power, then this is for you. I'm not a hardcore or grift prepper. I'm just a small business owner working from home and dad trying to keep my family and work safe during outage. Short answer, yes, the RIVER 3 Max Plus can handle CPAP machine and home office backup, but there are a few important caveats we need to talk about. EcoFlow calls the RIVER 3 Max Plus a power station. It basically stacks more capacity onto the base unit. The RIVER 3 Max is around 572 watt hour, but the Max Plus can go up to 858 watt hour stackable battery. The battery is rated to about 3,000 cycles at 80% capacity, which means this should last you for many years of regular use. You get up to 600 watts AC output, but with X-Boost, you get up to 1200 watts of short bursts, and that's more than enough to power any home office setup or small appliances. It has a built-in UPS with 10 milliseconds switchover, and you can plug in your computer and your router into it, and it will automatically kick in if there's an outage. It can charge from 0 to 100 in under an hour, and it supports solar panels if you want to add some later. But specs don't matter unless we see what it did in my house. Let's start CPAP first. A CPAP machines draw between 30 to 60 watts depending on humidifier and pressure. In my test, I set up the RIVER 3 Max Plus with my CPAP machine and ran it overnight. With the humidifier on, I ran it for about 6 hours and a half, and I got down to 56%, and I still, with the humidifier on, it said I still had 12 hours left. Once I turned it off, it stretched to over 1 day. Also, I'm not a doctor, this is just my personal test. Please consult your medical provider before you consider this device as a medical backup. If you don't have a CPAP, think about any low draw device that you rely on overnight. This test will show you how long the battery will last. Next, I plug a basic home office setup. I plug it in my laptop, a little switch that I have simulating a router, a desk lamp, and even a desk fan. And I ran all of them at the same time. Combined draw was around 60 watts. With that setup, the RIVER 3 Max Plus estimated around 11 hours, and it was drawing that 60 to 65 watt. I left and came back, and 9 hours later, it was still running and estimating 5 hours with 37% battery still left. That comes to shows that that's more than enough to finish up your work, close up everything cleanly, and shut down. With the UPS function, I left the RIVER 3 Max Plus connected to the wall outlet and simulated the outage. And the UPS function kicked in immediately, and there was no drop or loss from the router or the switch losing connection or my laptop. They stay active and connected. For the blackout test, I ran the scenario when I ran the CPAP machine. As you notice, I plug in my phone and my watch, my tablet, my earbuds, so everything was connected and charging. Even with the CPAP machine also, all those devices pulling power simultaneously from the device, and it ran seamlessly, so it's capable of charging multiple devices at the same time for quite some time. The idea here, can we keep everybody comfortable for a few hours without dragging a noisy gas generator? We were able to run about 6 devices with a fan for a few hours before I decided to recharge again. Now, that was the real world behavior. Now let's talk about what I like and don't like. The LiPo4 battery and the 3000 cycle means that this is built for long-term use. The fast charging, going from 0 to 100 in under an hour, is a big plus if you only have a small window of power. Quiet and compact for what it does. The UPS function make it seem more like part of your home office and not just a camping gadget. Now, the weight between 17 to 25 pounds, depending on the configuration, is not something that you want to be carrying long distance. Now, this is not not a cheap piece of gear, especially if you add solar. If you only need to charge phones and tablets, this is an overkill. This is for you if you rely on a CPAP machine or medical devices and need a layer of backup power. This is for you if you work from home and you cannot afford to lose unsafe work if you have an outage. This is for you if you are a travel or sport family that needs to power cameras and devices and other equipment, even fans, when you're out and about. If you are a heavy-duty camper or need to power some large appliances, look to other EcoFlow larger heavy-duty devices instead. If you just need to power and charge phones and tablets, you might not need this much capacity. If you found this video helpful and you're thinking of purchasing an EcoFlow RIVER 3 Max Plus, then I'm going to leave the link in the bio. It's an affiliate link at no cost to you. You can click it and that will support this channel. I'm also working on a home power backup checklist for over 40 and parents to have and share with everybody. If it's ready by the time you watch this video, you can grab it for free in the description. If you are into this kind of practical content for over 40 for gear and health content, please subscribe.